welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going to be going over our upgraded trauma kits. These trauma kits will show on our website is the same model number as previously, but we've upgraded the components. So same trauma kit, new items. So you're going to see they come here in red, green, black, and tan. They're all going to come with your medical Red Cross here. You can open this up right here and you can actually just tear it away. So this is the portion that's going to go on your belt or your MOLLE webbing, and then you have the kit here. You're going to open this up and this is how you'll receive it, but everything here is in this sealed plastic case, and then everything is sealed within the case as well. So you're going to get it like this, all these items sealed. Inside you have bands, several pockets, hooks to hold all the components that come with it, and anything extra to make your own trauma kit. Okay. Once you tear open this sealed case, inside you're going to find a Cat 7 tourniquet. You're going to find compression gauze, emergency trauma dressing, and 2 chest seals. You're also going to find your latex gloves, and all these items are supplied by North American Rescue, great name in trauma kits and first aid. So as you'll see, all this comes here in the kit, and this is a perfect kit for first responders. Keep in your car, keep on your belt, ready to go for if anything happens. If you have any questions about this kit, give us a call here at NC Star Tech Support. Check it out on our website, ncstar.com. Thank you.